Hello everyone, welcome. It's Juliet here. Today we are going to take a quick look inside the treasure box from Potomac Beads for the month of May. Now this is a monthly subscription box. They do have two different types of subscription box. This one is called the treasure box and it is just a curated collection of beads. It fits around a theme. Every month the theme is different, so you get different beads every single month. You never know what you're going to get. And it's really great if you're just starting out. Maybe you want to build up your stash, or maybe you like just receiving different types of beads and trying out different beads, or maybe you're looking for some inspiration because, you know, the theme usually sparks ideas. So it's a great way. Also, you get more in the box than what you normally would pay if you bought everything individually. So it's a great way to kind of get some beads. Really great gift idea as well. If you want to let your partner know, you know, hey, my birthday's coming up, maybe you could subscribe me. They do also have a kit box that's a different subscription where you get 3 kits with the instructions to make 3 projects each month. Okay, but let's take a look inside this month's treasure box. Okay, so the theme of this month's box is a Dahlia Fields, and it has a little blurb about it here, kind of behind the inspiration or whatever. And then here on the back, you have a little inventory of everything that comes in the box, and you can see you do get quite a lot of items here. This is 18 items that you're getting, so really good value. So it comes all like this, all just in the box, but I am going to go ahead and take everything out so we can look at it properly. Okay, here is everything that comes in the box. I absolutely love the colors of this. Purple is my favorite color, so this is just gorgeous to me. So let's start up here, and first of all, we get some Miyuki Bugle beads in this metallic dark blue iris. These are the 3mm bugles, and then we also get some Miyuki 80 seed beads in the Duracoat Galvanized Champagne, which is kind of a lighter gold color. And those are always, these are kind of staple beads that we always need, seed beads and bugle beads. So I really love the color of these ones, very pretty. Okay, then here we have a PieDuo mix. So these little wedges, they have 2 holes running through. You can kind of see them going down there. So they run through the pie like this, okay? And this is a mix, so it has 3 different colors, and it has this greenish color, then this lighter purple, and then this more blue color here. So you get 20 of those in your pack. So this is called Metallic Jewel, okay, the mixed color. Then we are also getting here, these are some light tanzanite crystal ingot beads. So they are just little bar beads. These are so pretty. They're so sparkly. And they have a kind of cool, like, metallic finish on them. The actual color of the bead is tanzanite. But yeah, aren't those gorgeous? I really love those. So you're getting 18 of those. Then here we are getting a Claspgarten clasp. So this is 24 karat plated. And it's just, you know, a little squeeze. So you just squeeze it and pop it in. This is great for bracelets. Or a necklace. You know, 1-strand necklace, but I would probably use it for a bracelet because it's so slimline and kind of subtle. I think it's really pretty, very elegant. Now these are really fun. So these are Czech faceted rondelles. They're huge. You get 4 of them, and they are 11 by 13, and they're just in the jet black color, but really fun little accent beads to put in between other things on a necklace. You know, you can have a strand of something else, and then one of these. These are really cool just because they're so big, and they're really, really sparkly because of all the different facets on them as well. So yeah, kind of like that. I've never seen those before. There's always something I've never seen before. Okay, then here we have some SuperDuos, and this is the Pastel Bordeaux color. So you get a pack of those, a good number, very pretty color as well. And then down here we have some link findings. So these are again plated with the 24 karat gold. They are the same on both sides. So obviously you're probably going to want to make an earring, but I mean, you could use this as a clasp if you had a, you know, wanted to make a beaded toggle and put it through there, kind of make a cool clasp as well. So you don't have to make earrings with it. You could use it for, you know, the end of a toggle. Anyway, those are really fun, very modern and kind of cool. We get a finished necklace that you can hang a pendant on. So it already has the clasp and the chain on, and it's just a multi-strand corded necklace with a little ribbon. It's just black. So that's always useful to have. Then here we are getting a half strand of 6mm crystal pearls. This is the lavender color, which is one of my favorite colors of the pearls that they do. I use them a lot, so I'm very excited to get these because I was running a little low. I love their crystal pearls. They're really, really nice. Okay, and then here we have some gemstones. These are 8mm amethyst gemstones, and you're getting a 7-inch strand of those. These are so pretty. Really, really nice. Aren't they great? Love those. Okay. You could also use these anywhere. You might use another 8mm round. You could use this in place, but these are just pretty on their own because they are gemstones. So a nice bracelet. You can use this nice clasp with it, you know. Okay, moving on. Here we are. We have these Czech glass pentagonal rounds in the matte jet AB color here. So these are kind of a fun shape that we don't often get. Kind of modern again and unique. So, and you get a whole bunch of those, so that's really good. Then here we have a 12mm crystal Rivoli. This color is called Mystic Sapphire, and it's really pretty. It has a little bit of purple tinge to it, but then when you turn it a different way, it has a little bit of an aqua tinge to it. So it has all different colors in there, but it's a lovely, lovely color. So you only get one of those, but it's very, very pretty. And then here we are getting some crystal bicone beads. These are 6mm, and this is the metallic blue iris. Very sparkly, kind of mirrored finish on these. Really love that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, and you get a lot of those as well. A pack of 48, so that should do you for a little while. Then here we are getting some Czech cathedral beads, and these are the amethyst copper. So I'm going to see if I can pick this up, but you can see that they are amethyst on the inside. So the middle ring, you can kind of see has a little amethyst bit going through, and then the finish that's on the ends is a copper finish. So these are so pretty. I love these for putting in between things again, or stringing on their own. You know, they are just gorgeous. Really love cathedral beads. Okay, then here, I'm going to go down here next. We have these Czech melon beads. These are actually quite big. These are 8mm. and this is called Pink and Blue Swirl. So they have a kind of fun little finish on there as well. It looks like kind of iridescent looking finish. So, and you get a pack of 12 of these guys. And a lot of these beads, like these, will be exclusive to the treasure box. Like you won't get them on their website in the normal, you know, in their normal as a standard bead. Okay, so these are kind of fun. So these are resin Dahlia beads. Okay, so these have 2 holes running through them, so you can use them like a 2-hole bead, and you can also put them into, so we got these Claspgarten rose gold clasps that you yeah, it's just a clasp that you can glue a cabochon into, and you can also glue one of these guys in here. So you could use that as a clasp if you wanted to, or you can use them as 2-hole beads. So very fun. I believe these were 3D printed by them, so I don't think you can get them anywhere else. So kind of a cool concept. I'm excited to use those for something. So yeah, that is everything that is coming in the box this month. Lots of gorgeous beads. I can't wait. This is very easy to design with here, so I will get onto that, and we will have a video coming out later in the week using some of these beads. So if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please do click that button so that you don't miss out on any projects that I make. And if you are interested in subscribing, check out the link down below and go and look at the pricing. It kind of differs depending on how long of a subscription you want to take out. So I will leave all that info down below. Okay guys, take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye.